Hello guys, welcome back to another video of an average programmer. Today we will solve Leetcode's daily challenge problem 3042, which is count prefix and suffix first one. And this is marked as an easy problem. I would say that it's an easy problem because we don't need to be doing anything crazy or implementing an algorithm that it's really hard. We only need to follow the instructions, so you don't need to be thinking outside the box. And yeah, if you were able to solve yesterday's problem, this is going to be really easy for you. So let's understand the description. So here, Leetcode tells us that we need to create first a function that is going to be called is prefix and suffix. Why do we need this? Because we need to find the valid pairs. And yeah, so this is going to be the function. We need to receive one string and another string, and we need to compare them. If str1 is prefix of str2 and str1 is suffix of str2, then that's a valid combination. So then we can increment our counter. Okay, so let's start by creating first that function, which is going to be called exactly the same, because I don't know if Leetcode is going to be also testing this function, but just in case, I'm going to be naming it in the same way. And I'm going to pass also my two arguments, which are going to be two strings, and I'm going to be returning a boolean. Okay, so which is a valid pair if str2 ends with str1 and str2 starts with str1, then that's a valid pair. Okay, so in our main function we will call this function, but let's wait a minute. Let's just create our result variable, which is going to be of type number, and it's going to be starting at 0. And let's not forget to return this variable. So how are we going to be comparing the two words? We're going to be using the same nested loop that we did yesterday, which is first comparing A with all these other words, then comparing ABA to these other words, and it's going to be the same for the next words that we have in our array. So we don't need to be comparing our words with the previous words. So that is going to be a nested loop in which we will start in I+1. Okay, so let me create this loop so it's better for you to understand it. The first one, we will start it at index 0. So we will be iterating until I is less than the word's length, and I'm going to be incrementing I in each iteration. And for our nested loop, I will say that j is going to be starting at I+1, and we will end the iteration of j until we're going to be repeating this loop while j is less than words dot length. I'm missing an n over here, and I'm going to be incrementing j in each iteration. Okay, so the only thing that we need to do is call this function is prefix and suffix, and we need to pass the words in the index I and the word in the index j. Okay, so let's call our function just like that. I will pass my word that it's in index I and j, and if this is true, then I can just increment my result, and that's it. You don't need to be doing anything additional. Okay, so let me just check my code to see if everything is good or not. Let me run this one. Okay, so this is accepted, and let's submit my solution. Okay, so this is passing, and the time complexity for this is a quadratic time complexity. Okay, so hope this was clear for you. I'm going to leave the code also in the comment section, and yeah, don't forget to leave your like in this video, and see you in another one. Bye.